Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiera here, My Digi affiliate. Today we're gonna continue on our process of getting sales with the 25 digital business best affiliate marketing program I ever found in my life using my lead gen secrets. All right. So the way it works is that once you get a sale, you get your first sale, the funnel builder, $25, pay $25, you get 80% of the commission, meaning you get $20 every month. Not just $20, but $20 every month from a $25 sale. That's kind of ridiculous. And then there's another program which is $125, which you get $100. Hold up, is it 120 or 125? Whatever the 80% commissions is, yeah, you get that too, which is kind of ridiculous. I'm thinking it's 125. That makes the most. I think 25, 50. Yeah, it's 125, and you get $100 commission on that as well, monthly. This is so important. Recurring commission. One sale is so valuable for this product. So you get 10 people in, that's $1,000 a month, guys. Easy as that. And we're using my lead gen secrets to get a sale on it. All right, so best product I found in 2022. So amazing, right? Brand new product, by the way. All in one $25 business, digital business. It's brand new. It's pretty, yeah. It ain't been out for a while, so you gotta hop on this before people already sign. The people that want to sign into it already signed into it. You know what I mean? So the faster you get onto it, the better. So go and get started. Go and set it up, and you can use the product as well. It's a very good product, very good funnel builder, better than ClickBank, and so on and so forth. Very easy to understand. So, and honestly, these funnels is what you kind of need to build your income. Like, say you don't even want to sell this, you want to sell something else, you build it real easy with this program. You know, you want to sell something on ClickBank or something like that. Anyway, let's keep it moving here. You already know the product. If you watch the other videos, you get what I'm saying here. You can easily, you get 1 or 2 sales a week. You could build up, by the 12th month, you have $100,000 a year. That's ridiculous. Residual income. If you get 1 or 2 sales a week, you'll build up to that's $100,000 a year. If you do that for a year, that's $100,000 a year. So this is the easiest way I see to build up income, guys. Let's get 10 people in the dish. You got $1,000 a month. That's plenty enough to pay rent or whatever for most people. Well, I ain't gonna say that. For people like in rural areas, very easy to pay rent with that. Most rural areas rent is around $500-$600, maybe even $400 or $300, depending on where you stay. So you get that $1,000 there. You get 10 people in. You get 20 people in. You get $2,400. $2,400 for most rural areas. You borderline rich. So that's all you need. You need 20. You get that, and you already set. You know you set. So that's all I want to get you guys to understand here. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna go to my lead gen secrets over here. All right. So we're gonna get us a email here. So let's see. Let's get this email. How to do less while making more. Let's copy that. Go to the mailing system here. Post that in. Capitalize it. We're using one of the emails they give us for this in the system here. They give us a ton of emails to use. When you buy the marketing training and stuff, they give you a ton of stuff, and it's just worth it. It's worth it, right? All right, so here you go. There, we're gonna use that. So we're gonna hit perfect timing here. What that does is send them email around the time people check their emails. Anyway, we're gonna copy this here. All right, we're gonna just copy this email here. Copy, boom. All right, go to back to the system. I'm gonna copy it in this way. Get my name in here. All right, that looks pretty clean. Yeah, that works. All right, so we get here, we hit bold, hit the link. We want a link here. Let's get this link. And the Miller system here. Boom. All right, so yeah, that's the link to this here. That link I gave you is the link to this page here. The link I'm pinning in. So when you first get into the system, you ain't built your funnels and all of that yet. You'll get your link from here and say all-in-one $25 bid. This link here, that's the one you want. All right, so let's get back in. We send the email. Boom. All right, guys. And one thing you gotta remember is that the people that give up are the people that'll never achieve this. I tell you that now. Continue trying. Continue trying. Always continue trying. Right? It's very important that you keep trying, no matter what your results are. You keep trying. So I promise you, you'll eventually get that one sale. Then you'll eventually get that second sale. Once that starts happening, it'll snowball. You'll be getting sales left and right. But you gotta keep trying. Can't give up. You gotta keep trying. So don't really think much if you don't immediately start getting sales, especially with My Lead Gen Secrets, because you gotta build up your list first. For one thing, you gotta build up your list. It's simply a numbers game. Eventually somebody is gonna be like, oh, that looks amazing. Let's try it. You know, when it comes to My Lead Gen Secrets. They get all kinds of these types of offers. They're very interested in these offers. All you gotta do is put it in front of their face. And there you go. Boom. And we send that email there. This is my second account as well. If you get another account, you gotta open a new tab to open it so you can copy and paste it, by the way. Yeah. I don't talk about this before, but just in case this is your first video seeing this here, I want to make sure I explain it every time. Okay, then we log out, we go to our third account here, and we do the same thing. We go here, hit that, and then we do the same as that thing here. Do list where I'll make it. And then we boom. And we send the email. All right, guys, and that's all there is to it, really. Very simple, very easy to do. That only took me about 8 minutes altogether. So, and that's because I'm explaining to you guys what I'm doing. So, you know, it'll only take you 5 minutes every morning, depending on how many accounts you got. Some people got 8, some people got like 7 accounts, some people got 5 accounts, some people got 10. I recommend 2 accounts. I recommend at least 2 accounts. I got 3, but I recommend 2. So what I personally do is get 2 accounts so you can automatically start getting 200 leads, and then, you know, build up as you get more sales and more sales. You get more sales, you buy more accounts. That's how I think you should do it. But yeah, that's the case with me. That's the case and all of that, and that's all it is. Let's talk about the business a little bit. You can get 120 commission for each sale, $120 commission for each sale. You get 2 sales, you in profit. $90, I think. Ex Quit Mouse. So you get 2 sales, you profit $90. And after that, you just add 120 for each sale, like that, from 2 sales. You just need 2 sales to be in profit for life. There's no reason to leave the system once you get 2 sales. Literally no reason. You only make money. You make $90. So yeah, you just get 2 people. I'm gonna tell you now, guys, this affiliate system is the best I've seen, period. Like, there's no other one. There's no other system that can give you 80% residual income. It doesn't happen, guys. This is the best. I'm telling you, I've never seen 80% residual income. I've seen 80% sales. That even 80% sales is rare. So 80% residual income, The best I've seen for residual income is like 33%, somewhere around there. That's the highest it gets. I promise you that, you know. And this is just a great product to promote and use. Really good product to use as well. How it works is that your $25 funnel is on par with like ClickFunnels or whatever funnel you may be using. It's very very easy to build a funnel with it, right? Very simple, very easy. Like ClickFunnels, BuildAll, whatever. I feel like BuildAll is a little bit more sluggish. It feels real sluggish. But anyway, let me just continue on what I'm saying. Yeah, and the $125 product is training for multiple ways to sell the product. Now they don't have the secret that we have. We have My Lead Gen secrets. They don't know about that. That's a secret I'm giving you guys when you know, sign up, just for watching my channel. Really, I'm just glad of that. Sign in. I got multiple multiple links in the description there. You can sign in, check it out for yourself, look into it, see how you feel about it, and give it a shot, guys. I think this is the best affiliate marketing program I've ever seen. So yeah, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell so we can get these videos, you know. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.